is up, guys? Today we will be playing the murder mystery. We'll be playing murder mystery. I'm gonna have to mute because of the music, so that's fun. Yeah. What's up? I still want that bio blade again. I mean, I do not regret trading that thing. That guy's got a shark on his shoulder like me. You're right. You're right, man. And someone sent me a trade. Look, right there. Right next to my weapon. Right there. Let's see what they offer. I'm gonna put in a thing. A leaf. Okay, I would be trading you this. If it was... Yeah, that was sad. This beautiful bunny with Mini Toon on his shoulder died. As well as me. That is very sad. Just, wow. Just, wow. So another round's about to start. And this is gonna be amazing. I'm sorry, I am not gonna cheat. What does he want? My leaf, my combat II. Or does he want everything? I'm sorry, but I cannot do that. And I must, Okay, so let's do this thing. Open up. Okay, that just attracted the murderer. I did not like that at all. I do not like... Okay, so, yeah, okay. Okay, good. No. No. What? No, I'm turning trades off. God dang it. Okay, I'm gonna see what he wants to trade. Okay, so he's gonna be asking something soon. Okay, so what's he gonna say in the chat? It won't let me move for a second. Okay, I get you guys once he says something in the chat. Okay, he says smiley face. Yay! Wait, is the round over? Yes, I think the round's over. Trade who? For what? Changed his name. Listen, I am not a part of FaZe, so you do not have to send me a trade. Oh my god. Okay, I'm out. Dude, what was that? Okay, I'm innocent. Am I ever gonna be murderer this round? Yay, please be nice. Please be nice. No, I don't trust him. I don't trust him a little bit. I don't trust... Are your cousins joining? Okay, I got that. I don't know. Yeah. Okay. I got 1 coin right there. Okay, let me move. Okay, so let's just play this round that I am. That's gonna be sad. Okay, so I didn't even plan the intro. I didn't even plan this video. I just said murder mystery. Why not? Set free. And I don't even know. I don't know if the murderer has ninja or he's just AFK and didn't kill anybody. Well, I'm just trying to stack up on coins because you cannot buy coins anymore, and I'm trying to get everything for coins in this game. Yo, man, what's up? I feel real bad now. Oh, God. I must stare into your bunny soul. I was be... Well, sorry about that. Oh, God. Okay, he's following me. I'll know if he's a murderer and he got mad. I don't know. Okay, I don't trust this guy either. Look what? Come. He's gonna kill me, isn't he? Oh, please don't. I heard he's on phone right now. Okay, whatever hashtags mean. Do I? I still wish I had to. Psyleak. Yes. Wait, I could actually put my camera under there. Oh God. I can put my camera under there. What's up? Okay, so this round I feel like is lasting forever. Only one death and that. Okay, so I'ma just say hi to him. Okay, Joe. Joe, where are you? I need help. Because I know what a murderer is and I know who he is. It's like a Slender. Yeah, I could tell because I know who murderer was. He like turned around with the knife in his hand. And that was scary. Okay, so it was Slender. Okay. So I'll get you guys once the round starts. Okay, it's loading map. Bio gun for Nightfire. Sorry. No. Okay. Only if he was a fan. If you're a fan of the channel, then get one for free. Okay, wait, how many coins? Okay, I'm gonna bot. Oh no! Joe! Oh, I'm scared. Oh wait, that was your cousin. Oh God. Okay, I forgot his cousin joined. I'll get you guys in the next round. Look at that cute bunny face. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. So I am innocent. I did not like that. Bunny team. Who? I'm not teaming. Who? Me no team. Oh no! No! Please help. Don't have to do this, buddy. No. Please, I am innocent. You don't have to do this to me. Okay, do it to that guy. You can do it to that guy, but not me. No, me. This is... No. Oh, no. Oh, God. Well, the sheriff just died. Grab. Okay, so, I guess I'm gonna be 1v1ing him. Okay, this turned into a 1v1 video. Okay, 3, 2, 1, begin. I don't even know if he has ghosts. This is scary. Ah? Never mess with me when I am sheriff. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Okay, this guy's trading me like crazy. Okay. GG, my boy. GG. I said it in the chat even though you can hear me. What's happening here? Is there a new animation now where we just float or what? Oh wait, what the? I didn't know. What? Okay. Look at that cute little bunny face. Dang it. Okay, innocent. Okay, let's do this round. Okay, this is the last round of the video, so I'm gonna just be hiding here. Now that's a boring video. I'm just gonna be wandering around if we get the gun. Okay, now Joe knows I'm innocent. Oh, no. Yep. I'm innocent. No, don't you do it. I know I didn't accept the trade, but you don't have to do it. No, I'm too young. Here. GG's. 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 Oh God. Oh God. Run. I just see a wandering bunny in the middle of my kitchen now. This is now my house. I own my house, and I'm gonna burn this sign. Camper. What the actual heck? Okay. Gigi. Oh no! No! I know I didn't accept the trade earlier, but you don't have to do this. Don't have to do this. No. Hi. 1v1. Okay. Okay, I guess then. God dang it, I didn't even have the gun. Well, guys, that's probably going to wrap it up for the video. Let's just spectate my friend. Let's see what he's doing. Oh, wait, he's dead. Bunny. Okay. So I guess, yes, do that, and, okay, let's go over there. Okay, guys, that's gonna wrap it up for this video, and, it won't let me emote, okay, so, let me just do this emote with him, this one, right? Okay, this is it, guys. Peace out.